Okay, okay. So,
Just a minute, don't.
so here the cryptanalysis of a Caesar cipher. So what we can see it is a 26 characters. Okay, I'm not sure to say the issue is we have only 26 characters. So we can have uh, 26 characters to convert our plain text to ciphertext and recover our text from ciphertext to plain text. So here it may possible. Okay, so if the attacker may wishes to attack on particular ciphertext to get a plain text, so that attacker will have only 26 characters possible ciphers. Okay, with 26 keys છે આપણી પાસે. જો 26 keys ને one by one use કરે તો એક એવો chance આવશે કે there he can have whole plain text. Okay, so such is known as a brute force search. Okay, so brute force attack will start executing using each and every possible number of keys, that is 26 possible keys, and may succeed in getting a plain text from a ciphertext. Okay, so it can break as well. Okay, now uh, okay, now you do one thing. uh, okay, now if we have what will be, let's take a note and pen. What will be the ciphertext of the plain text? That is, plain text is write down, I love my country. Okay, I love my country. What will be the Caesar cipher technique to convert from this plain text to ciphertext? Okay, when where we have a key equal to 3. Okay, post your answer in chat box. શું હશે આનો જવાબ? Convert I love my country to ciphertext. Where key equal to 3. કેમ બંનેની અલગ અલગ આવી where key equal to 3? What is this? What could be the final answer of this? We, my country, I love. Okay.
સર થઈ ગયું.
શું આવ્યું? આ મોકલ જવાબ.
હા બોલું સર.
બોલ નહીં, લખી નાખ.
હા વાંધો નહીં, લખી
લખી નાખ્યો.
લખી દઉં.
Okay, good. Then very nice. Okay, fine. So this could be, this is what is our plain text to ciphertext conversion of I love my country. Okay, fine. So this is how we convert from plain text to ciphertext using a ciphertext to plain text to ciphertext. Okay, getting now, for example, okay, Now this is what we have. Okay. Example, break this ciphertext. Okay. Now you break this ciphertext. How you will break? In the same fashion. In the same fashion, you will break. Okay. Getting so we convert from these ciphertext. We can also convert this ciphertext to plain text as well. Okay. Now again, whatever the answer that we have received. Okay. આપણને જે આન્સર આપેલો છે. Okay. Now this is my plain text. Okay. This is my એક chat box માં plain text માં આપું છું. ચલો અહીંયા લખું છું. Okay. Now okay, this is my ciphertext. Okay. Now I wish to convert into again plain text. So what could be my the key? મારી કી શું હશે આની અંદર?
-3.
Yes, obviously it is -3. Okay, કરો convert. શું આવશે answer? થયું? So answer will be what? Okay, what answer મળ્યો પેલે? Answer તો શું હશે? Hello my country. Okay, so the same answer will recover from ciphertext to plain text. Okay, so this is how we have the we have converted from plain text to ciphertext and ciphertext to plain text. Okay, so any doubt in this lecture? Okay, so from tomorrow we'll learn about monolithic, then we'll have monolithic monoalphabetic ciphertext. Okay, then redundancy and other other substitution techniques to make it more study about the classical techniques or conventional techniques or private key or single key encryption techniques. Okay. Okay, any doubt you can ask me as well.